What is up, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an oil change on your 2025 Honda Grom. Now, this oil change, it works pretty much for all the Groms since they're all kind of the same, and probably like all the newer Groms, newer than the 2025. So I hope this video helps you guys out, and let's get started. I'm going to show you guys what tools you guys are going to need. I recommend using 1/4" tools, and you're going to need an 8mm for the oil filter, a 12mm for the drain bolt, some pliers to pull the oil filter out. This is the oil I'm using. It's some Honda oil. It's a 4-stroke motorcycle oil. It did come with the drain bolt, and this is the oil filter that I'm using. That's the Honda part number. This is what it looks like. Let's get started. Oh, and you're also going to need something to dump the old oil in. So this is what this is for. Let's get started. Luckily, the Honda Grom isn't that high up, so I'm able to get in there. I'm going to start with draining it. So you're going to go ahead and get your ratchet, your 12mm, and break that loose. This is the drain bolt that you're going to want to unplug. So you want to make sure that whatever you're going to use to drain your oil in is right above it. Now always remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. May want to have some rags there just in case things don't go as planned. Go ahead, loosen up the drain bolt. You want to let the oil drain. To get most of the oil, you do want to give it a breather hole. So we're going to take the fill bolt out. Now you'll see it drains a little better. You did get some on the exhaust pipe, so we are going to clean that up. We got a little fan. We wanted to come learn how to do the oil change. Okay, let that drain out. To kind of help keep everything even, I'm going to lift the bike a bit. Get a lot more oil out when you stand it up straight. I want to get most of the old oil out as I do this. Now that we're getting just drips, we're pretty much got all the old oil out. So it's only been a few minutes and I don't really see any more oil dropping. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the drain bolt since I do have a new one. Now that the oil is drained, I got my new oil drain plug. I'm going to put that on. You want to hand tighten it first. Okay. Now that that is tightened up, you want to clean some of the leftover oil that fell out. Now that the old oil is out, we need to get the old oil filter out. So that's what these two bolts are. These are where you're going to use the 8mm. Pretty simple to break loose. You want to get these two bolts out. That is the old oil filter. There is a spring inside keeping it tight so it doesn't move. Now with your pliers, you want to pull your oil filter out. Be careful, oil is still going to drip. Leave that there. Again, lean the bike a little. Get some of that old oil out as much as you can. Get your oil filter. So it does make it pretty easy and tells you what side goes where. So this side goes inside the engine. This side is facing the outside. Just go ahead, plop it in. Put your spring right there. You want to kind of line it up and add pressure as you center it. Just keep the pressure. Get your two bolts, hand tighten them, and you want to do it even, guys. Now get your ratchet and your 8mm, tighten it up even. So don't over tighten one side. Do them both as even as you can. If you have a funnel, it makes things a lot easier. Now this takes the whole quart, so go ahead and dump all of it in there. You want to make sure you have something just in case you spill. Get all of it in there. And that is how you do your oil change on your 2025 Honda Grom. Set your funnel aside. Now you can tighten this up. Hand tight. Go like into where you start to feel resistance. Now, if you want to check your oil level, it's right there. You see that little white dot? Now you can check your oil level. Mine is a little bit above, but that is okay. Now, to double check your work, you're going to start your motorcycle. Start her up. Double check it for any oil leaks. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helps you do your oil changes on your Honda Grom. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you guys like Honda Grom content. I also go live once a week and do fun things on the side. So thanks for watching and appreciate the support.